Huh. Sweet. Nice. That's mine. Time-lapse time. Five front covers over 2 years. I'm pretty stoked about that. I honestly didn't think it'd ever happen. Massive thanks to Gatebil Magazine, Japanese Performance Magazine, and Fast Car Magazine. Without you guys, none of this would have happened. I've just noticed that 3 of these are light painted. That's pretty cool. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, and just one thing. I know these aren't exactly level. I will be fixing that. And another thing, you know those tutorials that I was talking about? I will be doing those soon. I'm actually getting married next week, so I'm going to be offline for a couple of weeks. But when I get back, through June, we will do the breakdowns and the tutorials. Okay, thanks for watching.